Tallahassee Mountain Bike Association hosted a trail crew leader training. This is a 2-day course that teaches best practices for sustainable trail design, construction, and maintenance. The course was led by Walt, who's the owner and operator of Trails Be Ready. The course is broken out between the mornings spent in lectures and presentations and the afternoons being field work. On the first day, we focused on trail design, layout, and construction. And on the second day, we focused on trail maintenance and the actual crew leader training portion. Lunch was provided each day, and after getting ourselves full on tacos, it was time to head out into the field and apply what we had learned. We had great weather for both of the fieldwork days. In this particular session, we worked on laying out a switchback, and Walt gave us a scenario where there were trees involved and we had to work around what would be the best way to navigate the tree and to create a successful switchback. We also just flagged out trail and got a chance to work with some of the tools. This was a really fun part of the course. For day 2, we'd be going out to Tom Brown and working on an exposed section of trail.
You can see all the sand that has moved down and stopped at the bottom of the grade reversal. So if water's coming down this trail, what's going on there?
We'll follow up right there.
Not what we want.
Barns keep on up.
Yes. So, like any location I'm looking, how much water is really coming in here? There's, between, this was built with grade reversals, so we don't have a huge amount of water moving in here. And I doubt too much coming down the hill, even though whenever you have a parking lot uphill from your trail, depending on what they're doing with the storm water, can really affect the trail. Like if there was a storm drain right above us shooting water over our trail, it would be scoured and we'd have to probably rock armor that section, but I don't see that that's happening. And remove this top layer or this outer edge and come into the tread a little bit.
Watch me cut the grass.
This is how a civil engineer does trail work.
Get out of the way, you can move down some of the work areas like this one here.
This is a blue trail, but there's not enough room to pass, so I'm going to stop.
I'll get off.
Happy Timba.
Well, it could have been better.
Is there ever a non-snake season here?
No, it's always
No.
And I won't cut it for another.
Yeah.
Done?
nice.
Yes.
I can ride it. I will ride it.
Hey guys, my name is Walt Bready. I'm a professional trail builder and educator here in Tallahassee, And we have been working on a section of trail in Tom Brown Park that basically over time had sort of disappeared a little bit, narrowed down, really small. The back slope had kind of moved down. Grass had come into the trail. So we reestablished the bench cut in one section, 2 foot wide, and the rest of it we debermed the trail for drainage and put in a few nicks for drainage also.
Yeah, thanks Walt. It was a great class. Glad we actually got to take what we learned and apply it right to our own local trails here.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
This is a paper to hand out that say you were sitting in the class and I think you know what you're doing, but in no way are you certified by me because I don't certify anybody. I just show you what I know and it says
Yeah. Congratulations, guys and gals. You are certified crew leaders.
not